First, I'd like to thank the sponsors for the Maker Happy Hour event. Sean from Preferred Networks donated a Lego Robotics educational set and an NVIDIA Jetson Nano, which is like an Adreno you can use for machine learning and computer vision. And Brian from Adafruit donated some components from Adafruit, including Metro M4, which is a small computer board that has a few analog ports and USB access. And it's about the size of a credit card. So the first prize I'd like to give out is for interactivity. John, would you come up? John had the mini Moog exhibit, which he just talked about. What was really cool, what I really liked about that was that it was a cheap device that you can pick up for relatively inexpensively, and it's really fun to play around with, and as some people found out. So I'd like to give you the Adafruit set. Okay. Included in that is Brian's contact information, so get in touch with him afterwards, and I think he has some more stuff.
Oh, well, thank you very much. It was so much fun to make all kinds of weird noises and have people come up and twiddle knobs. Analog synths are really cool if you haven't played with one before.
Okay.
So, thank you.
Manish, would you come out?
Thank you again.
Sure, of course. Manish created a robotic arm to automatically trim men's beards, and he's going to eventually move on to haircuts, which personally I'm looking forward to, so I don't have to worry about that. I thought the demo was really cool. He had a fake head with some fake hair and a robotic arm actually trimming the beard, and it didn't look too painful. So I'd like to give you this Jetson Nano developer kit.
Thank you.
Okay. All right, and Mark's project was Birdhouse, which is an automated docking solution for drones. He's building a prototype that will automatically dock with common drones like DJI Phantoms and recharge the battery. It'll also connect to your TV, so you can sit on your couch, fly the drone without line of sight, and watch it on your TV. So I thought that was really creative, so I'm giving him the award for creativities. So would you like to come up? I'd like to give you this Lego Mindstorms education set.
Great, thank you.
Hopefully it's a lot of fun. It'll give you a good base to create some cool Lego projects.
Great. Thanks very much.
Oh, you're welcome. Well, thanks again for coming last night to the Maker event. It was a lot of fun. And if any of you had any cool ideas you're getting not showing, there's always next year. So feel free to start thinking of stuff.
Thank you so much, Chris. And I hope you guys have gotten some cool memories of this weekend's event. Thank you so much for making that happen. And just a few closing remarks here. This year, we ended up having 562 people. Yay! 492 of you came to the main conference and 70 only went to the workshop. Maybe we need to convert those people next year. 26% female, which I think is pretty cool, and 18% of you guys came from out of the area. So thank you so much for coming to celebrate a nice weekend in San Francisco with us. Yay! We got about $387 in t-shirt sales. It might still go up because we have, I think maybe 10 t-shirts left, and about $689 in book donations. We are rounding it up to $1,300. If we get more money downstairs for the remaining things that we still can take donations for, we will add it to the pot and give it to PyLadies. So thank you so much for making that happen. And this weekend I've gotten so many thank yous, and it's really like the last 2 weeks before the conference. Every time I'm like, do I really want to do this again? And your thank yous like really helped us and the team just go forward. Like, yeah, we absolutely have to do this again. But obviously, the thank you really shouldn't be going to me. There's so many people that helped. So stay out for the applause. But maybe perhaps if I'm calling you out, maybe you should stand up. And so everybody that is speaker, thank you. Sponsors, especially Bloomberg, for covering the speaker registration, and Stitch Fakes, who also helped with speakers' flight and lodging. We want to thank the diversity sponsors and everybody that's donated to diversity and inclusion, including the PyLadies people. Are you guys going to stand up if I'm recognizing you? Okay. People that helped out with the website, people that are in the programming committee that have helped selected talks. I want to definitely thank the our book signing chair, Jeff, and our community day chair, Mundy, our volunteers chair, Soko, our lightning talks chair, John, our Maker Happy Hour chair, Chris, and all the staff at the conference center, especially those that make us really, really good food. Definitely, yeah, right? MyPy, who came out, and all the community organizations that came out today. We definitely also want to thank everybody that helped with registration, check-in, T-shirts, hosting sessions, info booth, and let's see. Also, lost and found something. So if you have this wallet, let me know. Okay, so thank you so much, everybody, for helping out. So this is such a cool thing to be coming together, and I would love to continue with meeting people and building community and building relationships. Bay Piggies these are local meetup area, local meetups. Bay Piggies are meeting in fourth Thursday of each month. Peninsula is meeting last Tuesday of each month. SF Python is meeting second and third Wednesday of each month. Django Meetup, fourth Wednesday every other month, and North Bay Python, a one-track conference is happening in November 2nd and 3rd in Petaluma. So hopefully we'll see some of you guys there. And I don't have the dates for next year yet, but it's probably going to be in August again. Let us know if you want 3 days or 2 days. All right, thank you so much, everybody, for coming out.